Good morning, students. Myself, Manoj Kumar Sharma. I'm your chemistry mentor. I welcome you all in my channel MK Classes. Students, we are doing chapter 2nd of class 12th, that is solutions. Today's subtopic is numericals. We will do the numerical problems based on molarity, molality, normality, and mole fraction, so that you can understand these concentration terms properly. Students, first of all, let's discuss the formulae which will be used while solving the numericals. Although बच्चों ये मैंने फर्स्ट लेक्चर में डिस्कस किए हैं सभी फॉर्मूलाज, even then let me recapitulate these formulas beta. So first is mass percentage, that you know beta, W by W percentage, and then that is nothing but it's a mass of the solute, that is WB upon mass of the solution into 100. Then volume percentage beta, that is expressed by your V by V percent, that is just equal to your volume of the solute upon volume of the solution into 100. Then mass by volume percent, that is your W by V percent beta, that is just mass of the solute, that is WB upon volume of the solution into 100. Then next is molarity bachcho, that is expressed by your capital M, that is just number of moles of the solute, that is NB upon volume of the solution in milliliter into 1000. Then molality, that is expressed by a small m, that is number of moles of the solute upon amount of the solvent beta, that is WB and into 1000. Then comes your normality, that is expressed by N, that is equal to your number of gram equivalents upon volume of the solution into 1000. Then molarity into valency, that is just equal to your normality. So this is the relation between the molarity and normality. Then gram equivalent mass. Gram equivalent mass, bachcho, we can calculate it by dividing the molecular mass by valency or acidity or basicity. Then comes your strength. Strength in terms of your molarity beta, that is molarity into molecular mass, and then strength in terms of normality is equal to normality into gram equivalent mass. And then beta, the ratio of the molecular mass to the gram equivalent mass, that is just equal to your valency. So bachcho, let's take the first numerical, that is calculate the molarity and normality of a solution containing 9.8 gram of sulfuric acid in 250 centimeter cube of the solution. So बच्चों, this numerical is very simple. हमें यहाँ मास दिया है सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का, that is 9.8 ग्राम बेटा. इसी से हमने नंबर ऑफ मोल्स निकालने हैं, क्लियर, और हमें वॉल्यूम दे रखा है, क्लियर. सो mass of the sulfuric acid beta, that is on 9.8 gram. Then volume of the solution is also given to us beta, that is your 250 centimeter cube of the solution beta, that is equal to your 250 centimeter cube, and that is equal to 250 ml beta, because 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 ml. Now bachcho, molecular mass of sulfuric acid, that is just your 98 gram. आपको पता होना चाहिए बेटा कि कैसे हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. 2 atoms of hydrogen is there plus 1 atom of your sulfur is there, then 4 atoms of oxygen are there beta. Then 2 into 1 plus 1 into 32, because atomic mass of sulfur is 32 and atomic mass of your oxygen is 16 beta. So sum of the atomic masses, that is equal to your 98 gram, that is a molecular mass of the sulfuric acid. So here beta, molecular mass of the sulfuric acid is just equal to your 98 gram, clear. Then number of moles we can find out. So that is 9.8 upon 98 beta, that is the mass of the sulfuric acid divided by molecular mass, because molecular mass is equal to 1 mole, is that clear? That is equal to your 0.1 mole beta. Is that clear? Now molarity we can find out, that is your 0.1 मोल है बेटा, अपॉन वॉल्यूम हमारे पास कितना है सॉल्यूशन का 250 ml solution is there into 1000. So here this molarity will be equal to here beta, that will be equal to your 250, this one is there and it's 4 beta, that is just equal to your this 0.4. So molarity here is 0.4. Is that clear? So one part is clear bachcho. Now since we have to find out the normality of the solution, that is the second part of your this numerical. Clear? So normality के लिए हमें क्या चाहिए बेटा? Number of gram equivalents we have to find out. So first of all we need to find out the gram equivalent mass. Only then we can find out the number of gram equivalent mass in this amount of the sulfuric acid, that is 9.8 gram beta. Clear? So gram equivalent mass कैसे निकालेंगे हम बेटा? Molecular mass divided by your valency. Valency जो है सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की वो कितनी है? और that is a sulfuric acid, H2SO4, that is just giving you 2H positive and your sulfate 2 negative ion. Is that clear? So बच्चों, so here it is giving you 2H positive ions, so that is your basicity beta of this sulfuric acid, that is 2, or valency is your 2, so dividing this molecular mass by 2, that is equal to your 98 ग्राम. So number of gram equivalents कितने हो गए बेटा आपके? So 9.8 को डिवाइड कर देंगे हम 49 से, so that is a 0.2. So number of gram equivalents हमारे पास कितने आ गए? 0.2. Clear? So then normality we can find out, 0.2 divided by 250 beta into 1000, क्योंकि volume of the solution 250 है, into 1000. So यहाँ हमने put की value and that is your, here it is a 1 and it's a 4, that is a 0.8. So beta normality here we have 0.8. So hope this is clear beta. या फिर other method is there beta, simply molarity into this valency beta. Is that clear? That is equal to normality. So molarity हमारी कितनी थी? 0.4. तो valency सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड की कितनी है? 2 बेटा. So it's simply equal to your 0.8. So this is the other way to find out the normality. So students, hope this is clear. Now since numerical second is calculate the molality and mole fraction of 2.5 gram of ethanoic acid in 75 gram of benzene. It's again simple numerical beta. So since here we are given the mass of ethanoic acid, that is, I'm just writing the formula beta, COOH, that is 2.5 gram. Then we are given the mass of benzene beta, C6H6, that is your 75 gram. So बच्चों, here we have to find out the molality first. So molality हमने find out करना है बेटा. तो molality is nothing. Molality, how we can find out? We need the number of moles of ethanoic acid बच्चों, CH3COOH, divided by amount of solvent बच्चों in grams into 1000. So here we know the amount of the solvent, that is 75 gram beta. So we have to find out the number of moles of CH3COOH, that is ethanoic acid beta. Is that clear? So molecular mass of CH3COOH, that is equal to your, beta, carbon का 12 plus 1 into 4, because 4 hydrogen atoms are here. Clear? Into 16 into 2, that is just 16 into 2. Sorry beta, यहाँ plus रहेगा. Okay. So the molecular mass of the sulfuric acid is equal to कार्बन का जो एटॉमिक मास है बेटा 12 है, प्लस हाइड्रोजन का 1 है, और देयर आर 4 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स, एंड देन प्लस ऑक्सीजन 2 एटम्स हैं बेटा, तो ऑक्सीजन का आपका 16 है एटॉमिक मास, सो इट्स सम इज योर 60. नाउ बच्चों, so now we know the molecular mass and the mass of the ethanoic acid, so we can calculate the number of moles of ethanoic acid CH3COOH बच्चों. So that is your 2.5, that is the amount of the ethanoic acid upon this molecular mass. So now molality here, that is just equal to your number of moles, that is a 2.5 upon 60 बच्चों, upon this is a amount of the solvent, that is a 75 into 75 ग्राम है बेटा, so ग्राम में है तो आपका into 1000, so that will be equal to your 2.5 upon 60 into 75 into 1000. So I think you can do the calculation बच्चों, clear, otherwise it will be time consuming. So next is your mole fraction. So we have to find out the mole fraction बच्चों. Now calculation of mole fraction. So बच्चों, here we know the amount of, yeah, you can say mass of this ethanoic acid CH3COOH, that is I think 2.5 gram, 2.5 gram. Then mass of benzene, that is equal to your 75 gram. This is given to us. Now we have to calculate the number of moles of ethanoic acid and benzene बच्चों. So molecular mass, first of all, molecular mass of CH3COOH, that is your 60 here, जो अभी हमने फाइंड आउट किया था बेटा. So similarly here molecular mass of benzene का फॉर्मूला C6H6 बच्चों, and that is just equal to 12/6 क्या बेटा 72, then 72 plus 6 beta, that it is your 78. Is that clear? So number of moles of ethanoic acid, that is amount of this ethanoic acid or mass of ethanoic acid divided by your this 60 beta, that is a molecular mass. उसी तरह हम number of moles of C6H6 we can find out beta, that is a 75, that is the amount of the benzene or mass of the benzene divided by your 78 बच्चों. clear? Now बच्चों, mole fraction of CH3COOH, that is a XCH3COOH बच्चों. So how we can calculate that? That is equal to your number of moles of the ethanoic acid beta, that is a 2.5 upon 60 beta. You have to calculate it, otherwise video will be too large if I will calculate. So then your upon the number of moles of ethanoic acid beta, that is a 2.5 upon 60 plus 77, that is the number of moles of the benzene beta upon 78. So beta, this way we can find out the mole fraction of your this ethanoic acid. So because mole fraction is nothing but that is the mole fraction, that is the number of moles of a component to the total number of moles of the solution. Is that clear? So this way we can find out this mole fraction. Now students, third numerical is find the molarity and molality of a 15% solution of sulfuric acid, and density of sulfuric acid is given to you 1.020 gram per centimeter cube. So it's again simple numerical बच्चों. 15% of sulfuric acid means 15% of sulfuric acid means क्या मतलब हुआ बेटा इसका, that 15 gram of H2SO4 जो है बेटा, that is present in that is present in 100 gram of solution. 100 gram of solution, simply मैंने लिखा बेटा. So 15 gram sulfuric acid is present in 100 gram of the solution. So beta, here mass of the sulfuric acid is given to us. Mass of sulfuric acid, that is equal to your 15 gram beta. Clear? So we can find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid. Clear? और इसके लिए हमें पता है कि मॉलिक्यूलर मास जो है आपका बेटा सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का कितना है, दैट इज इक्वल टू योर 98. Is that clear? 98 is the molecular mass of the sulfuric acid. So we can find out the number of moles of sulfuric acid, that is equal to your 15 upon 98. That is here 0.153. So these are the number of moles of sulfuric acid, clear, that is present in 100 gram of the solution बच्चों. Is that clear? Solution कितना है बेटा आपका 100 gram. So molality we can find out here. So number of moles, जैसे अभी हमने लिखा, अभी निकाले हमने number of moles कितने थे बेटा अभी हमारे पास, that is your 0.153 number of moles थे आपके सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के बेटा. ठीक है. Then we have to find out the molality. So molality here, that is nothing but it is equal to your number of moles of sulfuric acid H2SO4 beta upon molality beta amount of solvent. Is that clear? That into your 1000. Is that clear? So amount of solvent कितना रहेगा यहाँ, amount of water, let's say amount of water H2O, that is equal to your 100 minus 15, क्योंकि आपका 15 ग्राम तो सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड है, that is equal to 85 beta. So here this small m, that is this molality beta, that is equal to number of moles, that is 0.153 upon 85 gram into 1000. Is that clear? So again I'm using calculator beta. So here it's your 0.153 divided by 85 beta, 85 into this 1000. Is that clear? That is equal to 1.8. So it's your 1.8. Its molality here is 1.8. Now we have to calculate the molarity. Is that clear? So molarity के लिए क्या चाहिए हमें बेटा, number of moles of sulfuric acid. चलिए n मैं लिख रहा हूं इसके लिए. अब n किसके, sulfuric acid के number of moles divided by volume किसका, solution का बेटा. ठीक है, into 1000. Is that clear? ओके बच्चों, यहाँ हमें वॉल्यूम नहीं दे रखा है, सो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम बिकॉज डेंसिटी इज गिवन एंड वी नो द मास ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन. सो मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन हियर, मास ऑफ सॉल्यूशन जो है बेटा दैट इज इक्वल टू 100 ग्राम हियर. ठीक है. एंड डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन वी आर गिवन, डेंसिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन इज गिवन टू अस एंड दैट इज इक्वल टू योर दिस 1.020 ग्राम per centimeter cube. Now बच्चों, density is nothing. Let's say it's a density that is equal to m upon v. So we have to find out v beta here. So v here is equal to m upon this rho beta, that is a density. So mass, that is a 100 divided by 1.020, and that will be equal to your, again I'm using calculator beta, 0, that is equal to 98. Okay, exactly it's your 98. Is that clear? So here the volume of the solution is 98 centimeter cube, because beta here that is your centimeter cube. So beta, now we know this volume. and we know the number of moles, so that is over here 0.153. So now bachcho we can find out this molarity. So that is nothing but it's a number of moles of sulfuric acid divided by volume of solution of sulfuric acid into 1000. Is that clear? So bachcho, this molarity here is nothing but it's a number of moles. हमने अभी फाइंड आउट किए थे बेटा, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के 0.153 0.153 और वॉल्यूम हमने अभी फाइंड आउट किया बेटा 98 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब और मिलीलीटर बेटा 98, सो इंटू 1000. इज दे क्लियर? सो बेटा इसका डेसिमल पॉइंट को खत्म करने के लिए हम क्या करें, 153 अपॉन 98 इंटू 1000 डिवाइडेड बाय 1000, क्योंकि मैंने डेसिमल पॉइंट यहां से हटा दिया बेटा, दिस गोज हम लिफ्ट सिंपली विद यू 153 अपॉन 98. सो अगेन आई एम यूजिंग कैलकुलेटर बच्चों, so you don't have to use a calculator, you have to do the calculation yourself. It's that is just equal to your this 1.56, that is equal to 1.56. so beta this is the moles per liter, mole per liter. Is that clear? So this is the molality beta. Is that clear? 1.56. hope bachcho this is clear. Now students, fourth numerical is calculate the mole fraction of ethylene glycol and water in a solution containing 20% of ethylene glycol by mass. So bachcho, this numerical is simple. 20% ethylene glycol means 20 gram of ethylene glycol is present in 100 gram of the solution. So beta, amount of ethylene glycol C2H6O2, that is equal to your, how much is given, 20 gram beta. So beta, amount of water, because solution जो है that is 100 gram, क्योंकि यहां दो ही कंपोनेंट्स हैं, इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल और वाटर बेटा, तो अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर कितना हो जाएगा बेटा आपका, दैट इज 100 माइनस 20, क्योंकि 20 ग्राम जो आपका इथिलीन ग्लाइकॉल है, सो दैट इज 80 ग्राम. नाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ दिस ethylene glycol. So number of moles of C2H6O2 beta, that is nothing but it's your 20 divided by its molecular mass. Let's find out that its molecular mass beta. 2 carbon atoms are there, 12 है इसका atomic number beta, 12 into 2 24 plus 1 into 6 that is 6 plus 16 है oxygen का beta, 16 to the 32, so that will be equal to your 62 beta. So its molecular mass is 62, so divided by 62. So similarly beta, number of moles of water H2O will be equal to your 80 upon 18 beta, क्योंकि इसका जो molecular mass है बेटा that is 18 water का बेटा. So we have find out the number of moles of ethylene glycol and water beta. So now we can find out the mole fraction of C2H6O2 beta. That is nothing but it's your number of moles of your C2H6O2 upon number of moles of your C2H6O2 plus number of moles of H2O. क्यों? Because we have to find out the mole fraction of C2H6O2, that is the ethylene glycol beta, that is the ratio of the number of moles of this ethylene glycol to the total number of moles of the solution, and that is solution is the sum of the number of moles of ethylene glycol and that of number of moles of water beta. So put these values over here, so this way we can find out the C2H6O2 beta, that is your 20 upon 60. चलिए इसको कैलकुलेट ही कर लेते हैं बेटा विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर दिस कैलकुलेटर. सो हियर 20 upon 62 बेटा, 62, that is equal to your 0.32, और whereas this water is, water का कितना रहेगा बेटा आपका, that is just equal to your 0.0677. So now the number of moles of this ethylene glycol is 0.677 beta. So we can find out the number of moles of your water also beta, because we know the sum of the mole fraction of all the components, that is equal to 1. So C2H6O2 beta plus XH2O, that is equal to your 1. So it's so beta 0.0677. So now we know the mole fraction of ethylene glycol. So it's so 0.0677 plus XH2O, that is equal to 1. So XH2O we can find out, that is a 1 minus 0.677, and that is equal to your minus 1, that is equal to your 0.93, that is a 0.93. So beta, this way we can find out the mole fraction. Now next numerical is, a solution contains 25% water, 25% ethanol, 50% acetic acid by mass. Calculate the mole fraction of each component. Bachcho, here we are given the 25% water means 25 gram in 100 gram of the solution. Is that clear? So here mass of water is 25 gram. So WH2O, mass of water, that is equal to 25 gram. So here mass of this ethanol beta C2H5OH, is that clear? That is again 25 gram. Clear? Then mass of acetic acid, that is CH3COOH bachcho, that is 50 gram. So bachcho, here we are given the different masses. So now we can calculate the number of moles of each component. Is that clear? So here let's say number of moles of water H2O beta, that is equal to 25 upon 18, इसका molecular mass जो है 18 है. Then now number of moles of this ethanol C2H5OH, that is equal to your, ये क्या है बेटा, मास है आपका 25, और इसका जो बेटा molecular mass है that is 46. उसी तरह बेटा number of moles of this acetic acid we can find out C6COOH, that is equal to 50 divided by your 60. Is that clear? So we can find out the number of moles of water, that is equal to your 25, that is a mass of water upon its molecular mass, that is number of moles of ethanol we can find out beta, that is your 25 gram of ethanol is given to us divided by its molecular mass beta, that is 46. Then similarly we can find out the number of moles of acetic acid beta, that is COOH here, that is 50 is the mass of this that is given to us upon 60 beta, that is its molecular mass. So bachcho, again I'm using calculator over here. So but again I'm telling you, don't use the calculator. Clear? So here 25 divided by 18, that is equal to 1.38. 1.38 moles are there beta of water. Then 25 upon 46 beta. Then 25 upon 46, that is equal to 0.543, 0.543, and then that is equal to 0.83. These are the number of moles of these different components. So we can find out the mole fraction of water now. Let's say mole fraction of water कैसे निकालेंगे बच्चों? It's moles of water upon total number of moles of the solution, that is 1.38 beta plus 0.543 plus 0.83 beta. So we can calculate the mole fraction of this water beta. So it's 1 upon 3 0.8 divided by 2.753, and that is equal to your 1.38 divided by 2.753, that is equal to your 0.50. उसी तरह बेटा आप दूसरे कंपोनेंट्स का भी मोल फ्रैक्शन निकाल सकते हैं. आई थिंक यू कैन डू at your own beta. So with this, thank you.